Lakhipuronline Manipuri July ki tang kuntaruk thangje numit ki Khomjinba Pao tabirase. Ahanbada maruoiba Pao. Thailand ki Bangkok ta leiba AIT da numit humni chumna chatharakiba Meghana Knowledge Forum 2 loisin khre. Barak Tampak ki mihut singsu saruk jakre. Uma Central Committee ki wakat hum yauba CM ki mafam da piba memorandum Sri Bhumi ki DC da sinakre. Handakta nauna Mikhal da mai paklakraba Singerbon GP ki President, Vice President, Ward Member Singh, AP Member Singh butaram na okre. Apunba yaipalu Lakhipur kunau awang lekaina AP President oinam biramani butaram na okre. GC College jauna college tagi University oina sakangkraba Rajya Sigi Anoba University taruki Vice Chancellor Singh wasak laukre amasung Jiribam da chathariba kang tournament ta ngasi kasar kangkut ka MITL Jiribam ka sanaragani. Haujik mapungoi pa pau tabirase. Ngasi July ki tang kuntaruk numidasi leibak asina Kargil Bijoy Divas haina chahi ki pangthok tuna lakle. Numidasi da Bharatna Kargil landa Pakistan ma maithiba pikiba adugi ningsing numit oina pangthokpani. Kumja lising amaga chamapan marputara mapan gi me thadagi haurakhiba lan aduna numidasi da Bharatna mai pakpagi nungaiba pau sandokhe. Numidasi leibak asigi lanmi singi mathauna amasung maring jelbo ikai khomnaba uttuna numidasi pangthoki handaki asina kuntaruk suba pangthokpani. Lan asida Kasar Sri Bardagi Irom Nandachan Leibak ki damak sahit oikhi loinana Borkhola dagi Chinmoy Bhomik amasung Kolaghat jila dagi Captain Jintu Gogoi lanpham da sahit oikhi. Official gi record matungina lana sida Bharat lanmi chamga ga kuntaret amadi Pakistan gi lanmi chamri ga yankayum doi sikhi haire.
Stay informed with Lakhipur Online.
Thailand ki Bangkok ta leiba Asian Institute of Technology AIT da numit humni chatharakiba Meghana Knowledge Forum MKF2 ngarang loisin khre. Climate change na maram oraga thorakliba ainga sagi khalkairakpa madi kudong thiba sing aduda kunai gi miyoi sing amasung akoi beda leiriba singna mayok namba ngamnabagi sem saba haibe hiramda International Union for Conservation of Nature South Asian University amasung Asian Institute of Technology na Meghana Knowledge Forum 2 hariba thoromasi sinbani. Thoromasi da Barak Valley dagi Dr. Parthankar Chaudhary Department of Ecology and Environmental Science, Assam University Silchar, Sanat Chakraborty, freelance journalist, Sana Lembi Devi, Tareng ASG, Sopon Asangbam, Lomilup, Assam, Amasung, Modhulika Som, Needs, Sarukjake. Youth for Meghana Haiba Naharol Singhi Maigedagi, Rupai Bali Anwagi Matangda Exhibition Stolama, Amasung, Needs Ki Maigedagi, Trosa Project, Amasung, Lomilup, Barak Diary, Bikasi Agro, Barak Ecosystem and Water Governance Resource Center na chathari pathabak ki matangda stola masu thamki. Barak Turel Anwa amasung Barak Valley ki Pat Turel singi matangda issue kaya amasung sangsilliba khongjang singi matangda wapam kaya thamki haina Lomilup Assam ki maiketagi thadorok pacherola mada khangalakle. July ki tang kunhumdoi dagi kunmanga phawa chathakiba thoromasida South Asia ki lebak sing Bharat, Bangladesh, Bhutan na chingbagi akhanaba miyoi kayana mahusagi khalkairakpa amasung mahusagi pibam sotarakliba sigi maram khananainaba tanatana kari karam tauraga mahusa amasung miyoiba khunai asina mayoknaba ngamgani haibagi matangda khananainaki.
Cross-border movement due to kinship and shared traditions. The potential for
rivers and tributaries is Barak River and its tributaries and wetlands, hills and many gills. So, in terms of marginal farmers and small, especially women farmers, it's a big opportunity to have agro-tourism along with their agri-business. But major challenge is that we have not started yet. Before going to other technical challenges, I just want to inform you that the place from where we belong, the basin, this agro-tourism is not started yet. Yeah, they have not.
Saying that yesterday Asoki was talking about how ecosystem restoration work has to benefit people from the economic point of view. So it's not about only economic, it's not about ecological restoration, but how people will derive from that ecological restoration process. Therefore, when we started work with DROSA, we came from that ecosystem. So in a context where ecosystem services have been reduced, we need to improve the ecosystem, regional ecosystem, so that we can derive maximum economic benefit out of it. That's the premise I'm putting forward. I'm again saying that yesterday it was pointed out by our renowned associate. So here you see, as we started working, we started with a platform for low-below money. When you bring together the farmers, these are all marginal farmers. If we can improve the ecosystem, then our capital will be done. People's company. It's not my company, it's people's company. For Pikasi Agro Producer Company Limited. That's for farmers. And the range is again.
Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam Central Committee amasung District Committee anina kusamnaraga numitara mga nichubna Hozai Girls College Cultural Hall da chatharakiba mitei mayek takpi tambebeki thauram loisinkhre loinana certificate su yanthokre certificate yenbagi thauramatuda mifamapoi kiba Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam Hozai District Committee ki President Tensuba Manihar gi warolda Hozai District ki khungang khudingmakta branch singa kusamnaraga mitei mayek takpi tambibagi thorom pangthoklagani maruina hawgalakliba naha khudingmak mitei mayek hehnana bahonagani haina mahakna phongdokhi panbayai nimitara mangani oiba thorom adu Manikumar Nauremcha amadi Romita Debina takpi tambiki hairi United Manipuri Association of Assam UMA Karimganj District Committee na sinduna Assam ki Chief Minister Sri Himanta Biswa Sarma da address tawba wakat ahum yawba memorandum ama Sri Bhumi ki Deputy Commissioner Sri Pradeep Kumar Dwivedi ki mafamda ngarang pisinkhre memorandum asida yawriba wakat sing adudi ahanbada hauzik lairiba Manipuri Development Council asi mikhal tawraga semba anisubada Manipuri Autonomous Council ama sembiba aduga ahum subadana Assam ki Manipuri singbu Scheduled Tribe list chansinba haiba sini memorandum pisinba duda Uma Karimganj District Committee ki Secretary Joy Kumar Singh aloinana lubasi ki senior member Singh Gopal Singh Babu Singh amadi Monos Kumar na chingba miyoi singh na sarukjaki Sri Bhumi ki Deputy Commissioner na memorandum asi taram na lausinba galoinana atuba matamda CM ki mafamda yawhallagani haibagi thajaba su pirakhi haire ningsingba yai wakat chirol pisinbagi khongjang asi July ki tang 18 da Hozai District tagi hauraga mathang Kasar Hailakandi amadi Kamrup Metro na chingbagi Deputy Commissioner sing the pisin krabani Makhatana Lakhipur Ko District Sipsagar na chingba mafam sing dasu memorandum pibagi khongjang changsilagani haina Uma Central Committee ki Media and Publicity ingudam manitombagi chirol amada phongdorakli Apunba Yaifalu Lakhipur Kuno Awang Laikai na sinduna handakta Panchayat Mikhalda Lakhipur Anchalik Panchayat ki AP President oina karakraba oinam biramanibu taramna okpagi thoromama ngarang Hotel Amravati da pangthokre thoromaduda changamai ibobisak na mifama po amadi AP President oinam biramanina athoiba mithung oina sarukjakhe taramna okpagi thoromaduda kuno awang laikai ki awata pakaya gi matangda khananaina khe Kananaina ba aduda maruaina laikai asida matam kaya gi mamangdagi ising phangdabagi matangda laikai asigi miyamna pukhalaki ba wafam adubo AP President oinam biramanina mahakna ngamjaba thakta honaduna water supply panghanhana bahonagani haike OB road asida numidangi matamda chatok chasin kudong chanana bagi street light thanana bahonaragani hainasu biramanina phongdokhi
ai su khangi asigi mafam sigi singi supply singhi am wai haibasi aisu ta supply da chahi ni puja bi torokonina koju khangma ngami ai hana leiramba khunama dagi mate khunama atopa me tarapadane asi decision to bosi khara wana thoi adu loina na aina phaidagi het sigi lambi se ta khibadagi aina khari pamjabadi sigi lambi se street light se yam thuna thamna pamamna madubu street light ki ma si yamna mathau ta ba ke nomani sigi lambi se yamna thong phaw se yamna marui nangda yamna mawang cha da base masi maso yam thuna ajidi khara thuna tawna bai hona jage
Singirbon Development Association Singirbon na silangduna July ki kunmari sagol sanumita Singirbon dalaiba PK College ki holda handakta nauna mikhalda mai paklakraba Singirbon GP ki President Vice President Ward Member Singh AP Member loinana Binakandi Block ki AP President Sri Lachit Kumar Singh amasung Binakandi Bubon Hill Jila Parisad ki member Sri Krishan Rikia Sanbu taramna upagi thoromama Association asigi President C.H. Mohan Singh na mipama poidana pangthokre. Thoromasida Manipuri Development Council Assam ki Chairperson Rina Singhana Chief Guest aduga Abhiram Sharma Vice President Kasar BJP District Committee na Special Guest loinana Guest of Honor oina Vidyapati Singha BJP State Council Member Borun Singha President Binakandi BJP Mandal Yu Chauba ex-AP Member Arambam Gangbi President Singilpon Maira Paibina Dais ki leiteng oike Thauramda Association ki maigedagi lengyan fi yanduna khuding mapui kai khumnake Miphamda K Birendra Yu Chauba amadi lengbirakiba miyamna lamdamasigi chakwa thorangi matangda wafong thambikiba galwenana lakadaba panchayat term asida afaba thabak kaya member singna pangthokpiduna afaba khungang ama semgatnabagi wafong dokhi loiselakpada handakta manipur da laikidaba saknaraba mioi ani posangmam sonamoni amadi ratan thiamgi thawai mirelna lairamlenda ingna chikna leirunaba mikup ama tumina leiduna mapugi maphamda thawni jakhi Manipuri Sahitya Parisad Sonai Awang Masana Sinduna Bibir Gram gi Bamun Mandopta Miyam gi oiba mifam ama pangthoktuna handakta saknairaba ani retired SP Posangwam Sonamoni amasung Padmasri Ratan Thiamna laikidabada minute ani tumina leiduna thaibang mapuda thongni jakre thauramda branch asigi GS Karuna Misrana oja ani asigi punsi wari pathoktuna miyamda tahanke Sonai gi Palongat Cluster amasung Assam Academy of Mathematics kasar ka kusamnaraga pi approximation de gamari leinana Barak Tampak ki oiba online quiz competition ama Vivekananda Vidyapit Higher Secondary School Changkuri Road ta ngarang pangthokre hairiba online quiz competition asida Sri Bhumi gi Rohit Buroina ahanba position aduga Kasar Chanpur Sonai dagi El Saniana anisiba position takre mana asida lengyan fi memento selamati certificate yauri College tagi University oina sakhangkraba Rajya sigi Anoba University tarukki Vice Chancellor Singh wasak lobagi thoroma mangarang Guwahati gi Rajbhavan da pangthokre Rajyapal Lakshman Prasad Acharya na wasak lawankhe thoromaduda Silchar Gurucharan University gi Vice Chancellor Niranjan Rai Sipsakar University ki Vice Chancellor Mahadev Patgiri Kokrajhar University ki Vice Chancellor Ganesh Chandrawari Jagannath Barua University ki Vice Chancellor Jyoti Prasad Saikia Nagaon University ki Vice Chancellor Dr. Hitesh Deka North Lakhipur University ki Vice Chancellor Mukul Bora amasung Bongaigaon University ki Vice Chancellor Tarani Chandra Deka wasaklauki panbayai Haukiba kumjali singamaga chamapan kuntra mangagi July tara mangada lingkatkiba GC College saina sukhangnaba Gurucharan College handakta Gurucharan University oina upgrade tawkibani NASA gi Hubble Space Telescope na Prithibidagi light year million chamaga kuntra lapna laiba spiral galaxy amada angakpa phangna chauna maikhu thokpagi thodokama ngarang thengnakre thodokasida gas amasung upul whitepul gumba achauba maingal ama chaikhaiba okhi haire hiramasigi matangda mechanic singna thijinba hokre District Kang Association Jiribam na sinduna Dibong Kuno Community Hall gi kangsangda sanariba ahanba mix District Kang Tournament lisingani ga kunmanga gi ngarang sanakiba pre-quarter final round match ta Yaol B Ningthem Khunna Yaol A Ningthem Khunbu Panjal Taranithoi Tarada Maithian Kre Match asi N Kiran amadi TH Herojitna referee amadi scorer oibiki Tournament asigi ngasi nungtil pung ama taba matamda Kasar Kangkutka MITL Jiribam ga sanaragani
Energy Healing Center Rongpurda computer gi matengna Anoba madi ariba anabasingbo computer gi matenga layong khangdokpuna layanba hausare computer gi matenga makal makagi anabasingi report lokthokpuna haksangi awat machal kaya menkhanaba amadi supplement piduna naturopathy amadi magnetotherapy na layang bajaragani maruwaina nupigi laina sing I watpa angang khawgi laina angang oidaba nupa singi phambi sonbagi laina prostate gland chawtokpa kidney amadi ising marigi anaba nung leiba sinus diabetes BP stroke paralysis nerve amadi brain gi anaba khwang naba khutang chikpa spondylitis phai chingba liver amadi chakhau gyanaba piles wakhal gyanaba tumba yadaba sor chinba laina sine chingba layengda yarakani loinana matam sangna hu chenba hidak charakpadagi side effect amadi ida hu chenba toxin lairakpa I watpagi anaba koktanaba amadi steam bath ki kudong saba laizare Silchar Rongpur Part 2 gi Stone Crusher manakta lairiba Energy Healing Center da ngasimak gengsimbiragu mangjongna appointment ki damak mobile number 9395732456 number asida call tobiragna bakhanganjari
Lakhipur online channel asibu yengbiri basingna pawa sibu like amati share tawbiu amati hojik phawa channel asibu subscribe tawbidri basingna subscribe tawbiu aroibada maruoiba paw amukhanna Thailand gi Bangkok ta leiba AIT da nimit humni chumna chatharakiba Meghana Knowledge Forum 2 loisin khre Barak Tampak ki mihut sing saruk jakre Uma Central Committee gi wakat hum yauba CM gi mafam da piba memorandum Sri Bhumi ki DC da sinakre Handakta nauna Mikhal da mai paklakraba Singirbon GP ki President Vice President Ward Member sing AP Member sing butaram na okre Apunba yaipalu Lakhipur kunau awang lekaina AP President Oinam Biramani Butaram Nokre GC College Jauna College Tagi University Oina Sakang Kraba Rajya Siki Anoba University Taruki Vice Chancellor Singh Wasak Laukre Amasung Jiribam da Chathariba Kang Tournament ngasi Kasar Kangkut ka MITL Jiribam ka sanaragani Lakhipur online YouTube channel gi pau sanduk chaba ngasi gi oinadi matang asida loijare